how to add voiceover in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app and load the project where you want to insert your voiceover. Then tap on the audio option from the toolbar and select the voiceover button at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the voice recording feature inside the app. Next, press the record button and start speaking while the video plays. You can narrate, explain, or add commentary directly to your video. Once finished, tap stop to save the recording. You can also preview the voiceover, trim unwanted parts, and adjust the volume so it matches perfectly with your video. If needed, you can even add multiple voiceovers, mute the original video sound, or include background music along with your narration for a more professional result. Now you know how to add voiceover in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.